Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2010. This morning, the focus is on the U.S. dollar here and the currency market. The U.S. retail sales figures and CPI figures came out this morning. Now, one of the nice things about the blog is that when I start the blog in the morning, usually I'm just accumulating market color and trying to find out what's going on in the day. And by the time I get to write it in the posts, a lot of the figures have come out already, so we can see how the markets reacted. So that's what's happened this morning. I started a little bit earlier, and then CPI figures, retail sales figures came out. Now, the retail sales figures came out a little bit better than expected for the third month in a row. Okay, as you can see here, we're just taking a quick look at the U.S. dollar versus the loonie. Okay, right here was at 8:30. And you can see this one long bar right here. Okay, that's when the news came out about the retail sales figures, and then also CPI. CPI came in a bit lower than expected, so it's showing signs that inflation may be in check here. In fact, we're talking about the difference between commodity inflation, namely oil and gold, versus housing deflation, which is what we've seen in the U.S. economy. So there's a balance that's going on right there. But as you can see, U.S. dollar is clearly below parity with the loonie. Right now, it looks like it's at about 99 and 9/10 cents there. So right now, that's what's happening with the dollar. Now we're going to get Chairman Bernanke speaking at 10 a.m. this morning. He's going to give his speech to the Joint Economic Committee, and a lot of people are expecting him to change the language that he's been using about the extended period of keeping low interest rates, et cetera, et cetera. We're going to see if that happens. Just to show you some other moves here real quick. Let's look at dollar versus the yen right here. As you can see, here's the move at 8:30. Market was unsure what was happening. I just want to take a look at this on the daily chart, show you what's going on here. We're seeing some increased dollar strength right here. As you can see, we've got a stochastic crossover down here, as well as a doji right above the 20-day moving average. So it looks like if Bernanke doesn't reveal any hawkish comments today, that this could retest 95. Another thing I want to take a look at was the Kiwi versus the CAD, namely Kiwi versus the loonie. Overnight retail sales figures in New Zealand came out worse than expected, showing signs that the economic recovery there may not be as strong as it is in some other places like Canada and Australia. So this downtrend that we've been seeing here with the Kiwi versus the loonie looks like it's still intact, and I feel a little bit vindicated having moved the loonie higher on the old risk totem pole there, as they seem to be doing a little bit better than in New Zealand. Next, we want to take a look at the Aussie real quick. Consumer confidence figures came out. It's right near the highest that they've been in 3 years, despite higher interest rates that are going on there. So the economy seems to still be chugging along. They've got Chinese demand going, commodities as well. So if you look here on the chart, it's just a nice little uptrend that's moving along. So that's what's happening with the Aussie. So as you can see, market's in a risk-taking mode today. We've had good earnings come out last night. JP Morgan, Intel came out. The S&P 500's over 1,200 now, which it hasn't been in some time, and the Dow's settled in above 11,000. Oil prices are back to just under 85 at 84.75. So the loonie's getting some strength there. So we're going to wait till 10 o'clock to see what happens with Bernanke, and if he comes out and he changes this language, then we may see some more dollar strength, which could start a sell-off in some of the other some of the other equities and commodities and things of that nature, but I doubt we're going to see that happen. Looks like I'm under the impression that he wants to continue to keep inflation moving so that prices can move up in that direction, showing economic recovery, so on. So wait till 10 o'clock, see what's happening. That's what I've got for now. Have a good day. As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.